The taxation law parenthesis start amendment parenthesis close bill 1971 introduced in the last session of parliament, which was before the Lok Sabha, was discussed. Stop. The bill sought to amend the income tax, wealth tax, and gift tax acts, apparently with the objectives of countering non-payments of tax through understatement of the value of immovable properties in the instruments of transfer, curbing the practice of holding of property in various names and appointments of a cadre of valuation officers for assessment of the value of different types of property. Stop era. The board generally agreed that the bill should opposed in principle. Stop. Shri K.R. Agarwal said that the bill will mainly hit those persons who put their transactions on paper. Stop. If the bill was enforced, there was every possibility of transactions in property coming to a stand still. Stop. He further said that the bill had been loosely worded and legal loopholes had not been taken sufficient care of. Stop. There was no provisions of the bill to counter the lowering of tendency rate to bring down automatically the value of property. Stop. Further, the Rent Act, read with the provisions of the bill, will create an artificial situation. Stop. The Rent Act was not applicable to government in exercise of the powers conferred by this bill, advantage may be taken of this position to remove the tenants from the premises. Stop. He suggested a strict time limit, not exceeding 6 months, for government to make up its mind if it was keen to take over property. Stop era. Shri H.R. Singh expressed the view that the bill will only increase disputes over the fair market value of a property. Stop. If arrangements could be devised by which a fair valuation of an immovable property could be carried out before its transfer, this would bring down the number of disputes. Stop era. Shri D.S. Gill pointed out that according to the bill, decisions of the competent authority were applicable to the Central Board of Direct Taxes, which was an administrative board. Stop. The appeal should appropriately lie with the High Court of Supreme Court should be set up for hearing appeals. Stop. The committee should favor an independent court with the right to appeal to the Supreme Court. Stop. The members decided that comments on the bill should be submitted in the light of the views expressed by members. Stop. Emphasizes should be on the undesirable effects which the bill will have if enforced, and on the constitution of an independent court to decide disputed issues with right of appeal to the Supreme Court. Stop war.